right, everybody, so we're back at the cabin here, and this is going to be our first meal here at Lake Alma State Park in Wellington, Ohio, and Mark is with me here, and he's got some, we're going to make some chicken fajitas tonight, so he's got the chicken marinated, we got some peppers and onions in there, and I'm just getting the stove lit and turned on here. Then we're going to heat up the cast iron skillet. We're going to start cooking for our dinner tonight, and so far the campground has been absolutely great. A little bit of some bugs floating around, but the cabin has cooled off nicely, so we're kind of getting ready to kind of settle in for the evening and have some nice dinner. So let's go ahead and get this cook going, and we'll kind of bring you back when we've got the chicken and the peppers and onions in the pan. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so the cast iron skillet got heated up. I rinsed it out a little bit with some water and wiped it down. And what we have for tonight, as I said, was we're going to make some chicken fajitas. So here's the marinated chicken fajitas, or actually chicken fajitas. Here's a marinated chicken that Mark made. So this has half a cup of lime juice, half a cup of orange juice. It's got how much minced garlic and onion, do you remember?
About a tablespoon.
Tablespoon of minced onion, minced garlic, and cilantro.
And oregano.
And oregano.
And a teaspoon of ground cumin.
Ground cumin. Okay, so there's the marinade. So this has been in his cooler since he drove up from Georgia today. So we've got this marinated. This chicken's ready to go. And we've got some organic mild salsa. Mark went all out today and got some organic salsa. We've got some Tostitos chips. We've got some cheese flour tortillas. I got some Harris Cedar sour cream. And Mark's cutting up the red pepper and onion right now. So we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken first, about halfway through, and then once the chicken's about halfway cooked, then we're going to go ahead and add the onions and peppers into the skillet, and then we'll add a little bit more seasoning in that little container right there, and then we'll go ahead and have our dinner and kind of show you that final product. So let me stop this now, and we'll move over to the stove, and we'll start cooking that chicken. All right, so the cast iron skillet, I got the stove turned on, nice and hot. So I'm going to go ahead and take the marinated chicken, and we're going to dump this. We're going to cook it all tonight, so we're just going to dump this all in. There we go. Perfect. Make sure we get all that marinated, as much as we can out of it. There we go. Squeeze that out. Okay. You want to throw this in the trash inside, or do you want to like just put it in that bag out there?
Yeah, put it in this bag. I don't want them bare.
Yeah, coming in, right?
Like knocking.
So yeah, so once we cook dinner, and then I'm gonna again kind of go through the cabin as well that we have here. So we're right now in cabin 29 at Lake Alma State Park, as I mentioned. And this is the camper's cabin that you can rent, and it's actually got a pretty nice setup inside. It's actually different than the cabin we usually rent at Chihuahua in North Carolina. So, but I'm going to make sure we kind of do a whole video on that and kind of show you what the campground looks like, and I'm going to go through what the cabin looks like. So stay tuned for that. So. All right, for right now, I'm just going to turn the heat up here and get this chicken to cook, and then Mark will finish up with that onion and pepper. So once the chicken's about halfway through, we'll show you I'll bring you back to show you adding in the pepper and the onion. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, so the chicken's getting nice and brown here. It's cooked about halfway through. The moisture's been all cooked off, so now we're going to go ahead and add the onions and peppers. So I'm going to move the chicken over to the side here. There we go. Mark will drop in the peppers and the onions. Alright, I'll start getting these cooked. Add a little bit more of the marinade. Perfect. Got the stove on super high. Get these peppers and onions cooked up real quick, and then we'll kind of show you that we'll show you that final product when we have our chicken fajitas with some red pepper and onion and the street taco fajitas. So, all right, guys, stay tuned, and we'll show you when this is all cooked and ready to go. All right, everybody, so the chicken, the peppers and onions is cooked, and that's kind of the final product right there. We've got the cast iron right in the middle of the table. We've got our sour cream, our Fiesta blend cheese, as I said, our Chi-Chi street taco style flour tortillas. Got my NCP Mon Outdoors travel mug there. That's Mark's. He brought it with him for our trip this time, and we're just going to sit down and enjoy this meal as our first dinner for our camping trip for 2023 here at Lake Alma State Park in Wellington, Ohio. And what we're here for is actually staying here for a couple days and then heading over to Self-Reliance Outfitters and doing the Intro to Survival class. So hopefully I can take some videos and some pictures of that too and kind of share it with you. But for right now, I'm going to sit down and eat this dinner because I'm hungry. We had a long drive today. So thanks everybody for watching this. And yep, there's Mark giving the thumbs up. So we'll stay tuned for another video coming up from Lake Alma State Park. Thanks for watching NCP Mon Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.